little surprise OMG doll. So before we do that, I got this from Amazon. I ordered it a couple of days ago and got it this morning. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So let's start. So her name is Busy Bee. So it says warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years. I'm a fashion doll. That's what she says. 20 surprises. In the back it shows all the other dolls from series 2. I really want Candylicious. I love the little teddy bear. So this is the one B got. So here is the package, and I'm so excited to unpack it. Let's do it. So first we're gonna start by cutting the back over here. Okay. Now we're gonna open it up. Here's the box. Let's see. There's a little tape over here. A little bit tape. It's fine. We all can take it off. Okay, now I'm really excited to do this. Oh, look at this. We've got this fashion unboxing. See what it says? It even says dress me from the side, but we want to keep the doll a surprise for now. So all of these come with clothes and accessories. Okay, so here is the little thing that says how to DIY. Yes, I can do it and keep going, get it done. And I could see this is like the full reveal. I love her red lips and her blue eyes. It makes her look very cute. And I love her boots. So we're gonna go ahead and take these off, like these clothes off. So I guess we have to take these accessories and clothes off. This is the background, just to imagine and stuff. So I guess before we do this, we need to check our doll out. Wow, she's so pretty. Look at her. We're gonna take this off. Go ahead and do that. Here's the doll stand. Looks like she's attached. We're gonna have to get our scissors over here. We always need our scissors handy to do this. We have to make sure not to take off these kind of plastic rubber bands because they keep her hair braided. Keep her hair braided and stuff. I've took out the bands. Her braids look beautiful, and I love this top. It's kind of red with these little twirly stuff with a little bow and a little pattern. We're gonna put her right here. Here's the comb that comes with it. Here's the doll stand. We have to take it off, but we'll come to that after. Let's come to the accessories. I love the accessories because we can do all the sorts of stuff, and it's gonna be fun. We've got everything over here. So first let's unpack these clothes. I think this is the pants or something. Oh, it's a jacket. Wow, this jacket looks really nice. Let's take it off. Is that there? Okay. And from here it's a type of dark jacket, and from here it's a type of light jacket. Now we're gonna try doing this. Wow, it's a kind of jumpsuit, looks like. This jumpsuit is very pretty. Let's take that off, and here we are. Jumpsuit. Now we're gonna pretty much open this shoebox. It says these are stud wedges types of shoes. Coming still wrapping. Wow, the boots are very lovely. It's time for, actually it shows in the bottom if it's left or right. And I think it goes like this. Let's go check if I'm right. Is that right? I'm just this way, isn't it? Here's the shoebox. We're gonna put that aside. Now it's time for the jewelry box. You have to make sure we don't lose stuff because some stuff are, stuck in the sides. So we have to pick them all up in nicely. Here are her little glasses. I'll put that right there. Now here's a little book of instructions. We're gonna read that after. Here's a little magazine. All dolls come with this little magazine. Now, we have to, like, last but not least, we have to, for our clothing, we have to, like, get our purse. Okay, now, let's open it. Wow, this is a really nice purse. You could hold it from here, or you could even put it as a string. So now, let's put her clothes on. Got this. I like that it has a little key. We can put it in the pocket, back in the pocket, so it looks like this. So now we're gonna put it on her. We're gonna put it like this, one leg, then we're gonna put the second leg in the second place. Just like that. We're gonna go like this. We have put this on. It's kind of like a pop-up jacket. I like the leggings. Again, I love this key. You could just put it right in the pocket. And like it looked like a little chainy thing, you know, like a chainy thing right here. You have on the chain, and then we can comb her hair. I don't really prefer combing her hair that much, you know. It'll destroy her braids. So, and then we got our shoes. We could like put that on. Well, these shoes are kind of tight, and because plastic is tight, it might be hard for some of you guys. Like that. Shoes are good. Left and right, it shows the L on the left, and the right, there's an R. Now we have a jeans type of jacket. I love the little like threading type of yellow threading, so I guess I'll put it on. On the jeans jacket, and I've made the doll stand. Now it's actually time to put on the accessories. Here is the necklace. It has a little heart print. Like we're gonna put that on just like this. Now it's time to put the earrings on. These earrings are shaped as a kind of diamond, but let's put them on. So we're gonna like kind of, you know, there's these little holes, you have to push them in. Diamond-shaped gold earrings. There. Now we have to put the other one. You gotta push them in these little holes. You've gotta push them in like that. Just like that. We push them in. Put the necklace on. And here, like this, just like that, we put look at her. She's looking good. All our little dolls come with these tiny little magazines, so let's read it. Things don't always go as planned, but trust that they will work out. August 23, September 23. To do this, we have to like put this right here, and then we can like put her right here, but she could sit right here.